Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and today I'm going to discuss a very common problem that we received a lot of complaints and reports about this problem in a TomTom 1, TomTom 1 XL and XXL GPS units. So this is how they look like, and this is how the back looks like. This problem is a dark spot developing on the screen, which you can see right here, right there. And I'm going to show it to you from a different angle so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. So if you notice right there, as I apply pressure to the screen, if you see there's like discoloration and a dark spot appearing on the screen. The reason for this is the battery on these units are known to swell as time goes by and the battery expires. So sometimes the battery swells so much that it even pushes the screen to the point of breakage, and the actual screen will break, and the GPS itself kind of opens, like basically it explodes. The frame comes out. The battery swells nearly this big. Normally it's this thick and it swells this big. Now, batteries are made of chemical materials, lithium ion, lithium polymer, nickel cadmium, and stuff like that. So that's the reason why they swell as time goes by. Their average life is about 5 years, and this unit is good over 10 years old. So it's no surprise that the battery has swollen and it affects the screen. So how to fix this issue is to replace the battery, and I'm going to show you how you open it. So you basically peel off the sticker here. Now the sticker, most of the time when you peel it off, it comes off in one piece which is reusable, but sometimes it splits like this, which is not really reusable unless you use super glue to put it back together. Once you have it out, some models have screws here and here, and other models don't have any screws. You simply pry it out from here. There's like pressure points that you press and push it out to take the display unit out. That's how you do it on some models. So in this model, I'm going to push it here. And as you can see, the frame came out, and what I do now is I take it out and slide it down. So watch very carefully. As I took this out, you have to slide it this way for it to unlatch from here. There. So now it has unlatched, and as you can see, there are these little notches that are holding it there. So that's why it needs to be pushed out from the bottom and then slide out to be taken out. Now we have 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. You need a very small Phillips screwdriver for that, which I happen to have. You have 4 screws. Okay, so now that you removed all these screws, you can unplug it. You can unplug the cord, and you basically remove this plate. Be very careful so you don't break the screen. Okay, so this plate comes out just like that. So now we remove the screen. There you go. This is the plastic rubber that holds the screen, and we will turn it off. Obviously I did this. I see now when I press the screen there is no point pressure point, because the battery was here, which was swollen and is no longer touching the screen. Since this swollen battery is not touching this, so there is no pressure points anymore when you press the screen. So this, basically we caught it too early. The screen still it hasn't been permanently damaged. So we turn this off. It's turning off. There you go. Now you push this little latch to release. Now once you push this way, this won't release because it's glued down here. So you have to slowly and gently pull it out, and then it comes out. This is where the glue is, as you can see. There's a sticky tape there. Okay, so the screen is out of the way. Now this is the swollen battery. As you can see, it's a lot thicker than it should be. It's almost like ballooned, and we want to replace this. To replace this, you need your little Phillips screwdriver, and you need to open 3 more screws. Okay, and there is your plug, battery plug. You take it out and buy the replacement battery and put it down here, plug it back in, and just close it. Since I don't have a replacement battery available right now, I'm not going to put any battery because it's very bad. It damages the screen. The batteries are easily available on eBay. You can buy these for $10, $15. And then you push this out. First you have to put the screws back. Now, assuming we put the new battery, you put the screws back. The second screw. The third screw, and that's it. Only 3 screws holding the motherboard. And you simply put back the screen and its rubber housing. It's actually silicone, it's not rubber. It's a silicone housing for the screen. There you go. Now you put this one back in place and push that back in. Make sure it's all the way in and the wire is like lined up and it's not crooked. It's flat in all the way. Basically, you don't want this edge to be deeper than that edge. You have to be, see there's a white line, which is your guide, which shows you. All right. Close it like that. Put this puppy back in. Actually, you know what? Let me take that out. It's much easier to put it in the frame before you close the frame. I can tell you from my experience, much easier. Okay, so you put it in the frame and then you push the back first and then the bottom, the top. You push the top first and then the bottom snaps in like that, and put these screws back in. The screws are very easy to put in. And there it is. So basically that's how you replace the battery, and you no longer have the, watch, let me plug this in. If you turn it on, because the swollen battery is removed, now if you press, you don't have that discoloration or dark spot on the screen which we used to have. All right, let this load completely, boot all the way so you could see it. Okay, and there you go, no more dark spot. Let me go from the top camera. There, no dark spot. Okay, I hope you found this video helpful and it resolved your screen issue with your old TomTom GPS. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.